sure you guys like and make sure you guys subscribe to the new channel. I don't know why my brother insisted that I go through this, and I don't know why I insist on following through with it, but we're gonna do it. So, and I got me a big old spoon. You don't have to use no spoon like this. Please do not try this crap at home, cause no telling how this crap is gonna go. Yeah, I need to think about some of my decisions sometimes, but you know, right now is not the time. But yeah, you guys, this is cinnamon I'm gonna be using. You can get this shit anywhere. Not nothing fancy because I really don't use cinnamon like that. Even though I did just use it to make a cake last night. But yeah, you see my big shovel I was gonna be using for it. But before I jump into that, just to let you guys know that if you do not follow this page, make sure you like and subscribe. Yes, this is a new page. Yes, I will be dropping content. Yes, there's just more than me on this page. Yes, there will be a girly section for all females coming from my girlfriend. Don't look for that from me, because ain't nothing happening over here, Jack. Why did I choose for this to be my first video? I don't know. I'm just me. I just didn't feel like being traditional and like being like, yeah, you know, let me tell you about me. Let me this, you know, because that's the part of growing. Hopefully you guys get to know if you follow. If not, hey. But yeah, that's my whole outlook and introduction on YouTube. Hopefully you guys like the content. Whatever you think I can do to, you know what I'm saying, entertain y'all let me know. You definitely will be seeing a lot of my dog, B.O.E, which is what the main reason for this channel is. But yeah, so let's get into this crazy challenge. So, I don't know, guys. Look, don't be out here cussing me out because, like I said, I don't study this. It's obviously something you're not supposed to be doing, but I'm gonna make it happen. So let's see. I really don't know how much I'm supposed to be putting on here. I'm pretty sure it's more than that. So. Am I supposed to keep it? Don't do it. Oh! Alright, guys. Look all that. Still trying. Up. Alright, y'all. What y'all think? That's a big old pal. Alright. Yeah, ready? There's a shovel sucker full right here, dude. Alright. It's not cut up. Okay. God, man. Oh. Ooh. Ooh. Won't come out. Uh, what? It's almost like you take those, those little red candies your grandma used to give you before you go to church? Those little cinnamon shit? Bro, that's like 15 of those. Then, look what. This is like one of those things that you should not do. Oh my god. Content today. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Therefore, you know when I drop new content with the crew. I hope you guys have a nice day.